baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. Before we get into today's video, I would like to give a special shout out to Hurela Hair for sponsoring today's video. So we're going to go ahead and open up the box and see what's inside. Over the 13 by 5 T-part body wave. This is 24 inches long and it's 150% density.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and cry.
So we're going to take a look inside the unit so you guys can see exactly what a T-part unit looks like. You're limited to where you can part your unit. It's just down the middle, which is okay with me because that's how I prefer wearing my hair anyway. But it does have the lace around the front, and then it comes with the combs and the adjustable straps. So I'm going to go ahead and just dye the roots on the unit and show you how it looks. Okay, y'all, so this is how the unit looks in the top, and I really like this blend. Y'all know that this is my new favorite color, and a lot of you guys have been asking about the units that I've been wearing, so I wanted to get another one that was new and fresh that I can have a link for you guys and save you some money. So I have all the information in the description box below. So what I'm going to do is just put some dye on the roots in the front, and then I'm just going to part it a little bit and put some, you know, along the side. And I'll be using my favorite, which is the Clairol Texture and Tone, and I'm going to do the 1N, which is a natural black.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. Why hasn't he called me back? It's been 3 days. Stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still look a melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it.
All right, y'all, so here is the hair. I love the way it turned out. Y'all know I love this color blend. So now when you guys ask me, where did you get that unit from? Hurela hair. I have all the information along with the discount code in the description box below. Hopefully the camera is not too shaky. I don't have you guys on a tripod, but today is Friday. I'm on my way to the gym. Sister Soldier is here. Okay, so I'm trying to hold it together. Usually I would just stay in my bed. I wouldn't feel like, you know, being bothered. I don't want nobody to talk to me. I don't want nobody to look at me. Okay, but you know what? I'm gonna take control of this situation today. I might go to Target to get the vitamins that one of you guys suggested. I think you said the Mood. So right now I'm feeling okay. I didn't take any pre-workout even though I'm going to the gym, just because usually when I take it I'm back and forth to the bathroom and it really interrupts my workout, and I want to make sure that I get at least 40 minutes to an hour today. So I'm not going to take the pre-workout today. See how I feel, see if I'm still, you know, very energized and can get a nice sweat in. So I'll let you guys know an update on that. But I'm headed out. Then I have to do a few errands and I'll meet you guys back at the house. Here's lunch. I've been obsessed with making these little salmon bowls, is what I like to call them. I'll link a cooking video in the description box on something similar that I've cooked on my channel like this, but I switch it up all the time. This time, this one has salmon, shrimp, broccoli, mushrooms, red peppers, and onions. And then I have a little bit of jasmine rice on the side. I have some black sesame seeds and then your regular sesame seeds. And I'm just gonna top it with some teriyaki sauce. So this is lunch. It is 2:40. I'm starving, so yeah, this is what I'm having for lunch. All right, y'all. So I am dressed. Y'all know today is Friday. I have to do a mukbang today because last week I didn't do a mukbang because y'all know I had some family stuff going on. So I didn't post a mukbang last week, so I have to do one today. So I'm getting ready for that. I just have on the top and then at the bottom where they can't see, I have on some of my little yoga shorts that's inside out. Girl, I don't got time, okay? Y'all already know what's going on with me, okay? So I am like all over the place. I love my hair. Love. I let the dye stay on the top a little too long, but I'll fix that probably this weekend or something like that. So right now I'm getting ready to set up for my mukbang. I'm doing some king crab. Let me show y'all how they look. So here's the king crab. Let me just open it because I gotta take them out anyway. This thing right here is huge. $65 for these two. But look how big this is. Like, this thing is massive. And then a nice size leg. Pretty big. And then this pack, $48. This one is a pretty decent size. So I usually only can eat 2, maybe 3 legs. But you know, with the mukbang, you want to have a lot on your plate just so it can look, you know, better on the thumbnail. But my people over there, they've been following me for a while, so they know I'm not going to eat all my food. But this thing right here is huge. I hardly ever eat the claws because they're really hard to get into. When Tony's doing a mukbang with me, he'll open this one for me. I mean, I could open it if I had like a hammer or something like that, but trying to use some scissors, it's a no-go. So yeah, so this is what I'm having for the mukbang today. Just some king crab, nothing too fancy. Well, the king crab is pretty fancy. What is my little filter thing on? Because my makeup looks very blurred. I need to change that filter. I like to have mine on low. The Sonys do have like a built-in filter. And like on darker skin, it's like, Yeah, I need to take that off. But did you guys know that today is National Wine Day? Tony told me that it was wine day. So while I was in Costco's, I just racked up on some wine. So I got like Cabernets, because I used to like really sweet wines, white wines, but my wine palate has changed. I think I have a more mature wine palate now. So now I like a hint of sweet, but I like red wine. I enjoy a glass of red wine. My favorite is a nice Cabernet. So I did pick up a few. I'll show y'all. Why not? So my rack is full. I got the Semi. This is a Cabernet Sauvignon 2018. I've never had this one before, so I'm gonna give this one a try. I had some of this one last night. This one is really good. It's a little sweet. The San Sebastian is the Vintner's Red. This one is pretty good. I wanted to save some of this for Ryan to try, because Ryan is not a big red wine lover, but I think he'll like this one. So I'm gonna save this for him to have a glass. And then I got this one, the Pola, the Diamond Collection, and this is another Cabernet. I'm excited to try this one. I'm excited to try all of them because I made sure to grab some that I've never had before. This one is Izadi. Child, I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna try this one soon. I'll probably try this one tonight. What else? My arm hurt. Did I pour this one out? Oh, this one is Renwood. It's an Old Vine Zinfandel 2018. So I'm gonna give this one a try. This one, Opura. I've never heard of that before, but yeah, grab this. I don't want to butcher the names because some of y'all be taking it a little personal. I've had this one before. So this is a Cabernet. I've had this one. And then the last one, I was being nosy with this one because it was a guy there talking to like a couple that was in there, and he was telling them to try this one. So girl, I grabbed it too. So yeah, y'all, I'm getting ready to set up for my mukbang. I just got my package in from Nasty Gal. I have to do a sponsored video for them. Y'all will get that video on Monday. I tried on some of the stuff. I just got a few things. Some of the stuff that I ordered didn't come. So like usually they'll tell you, okay, you can pick out X amount of dollars worth of clothes and they'll send it to you, but if it's not available, then they don't send it. So some of the stuff I didn't get, which I'm kind of bummed out about it, but you know, whatever. So y'all will see that video on Monday. But if you guys are interested in Seafood Boil mukbangs, I do story times there. Y'all come check me out over there because I will be posting 2 videos tonight. This one, and then I'll be posting my mukbang too. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at IAMSHERIKAB, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Love y'all. Bye.